Hello traders, we're back with one more setup, that is CHFJPY. So let's check the date and time right now. Let's refresh it. Currently it is going to be 11:02 a.m. Thursday 6th of August 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart, we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we have entered at the current price around 195.26 and we'll go long. So we'll go long, and this black line is my take profit around 197.10. Expecting maybe 80 pips in this trade, so we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna go up and we'll book our profits. So if you want these trades when I take my trades myself, then join the program, swing like a pro. If not, then nobody else will help. You have to help yourself. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll come back and record the take profit video when that happens. Alright guys, so we're back with our take profit video. As you can see, this black line, so we are out of the trade, but let's check the date and time right now. So let's refresh it. Currently it is 5:58 a.m. Monday 17th of August 2026 in EST. So I was using trailing stop loss. My take profit was around 197 point something initially, and I don't know when did I take this trade, maybe 2 weeks ago. Go and check the time back in the beginning of this video. So I took this trade maybe 2 weeks ago, somewhere here, maybe somewhere here we took the trade. Okay, 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, 10 days ago. Yeah, so we took the trade somewhere here 10 days ago, I guess, and that's it. So we are out. I was using trailing stop loss, and we made 130 pips in this trade. So entry was around 195.28 and exit is around 196.58. 130 pips in this trade. Okay, that's all about it. It's all about knowing the direction and having patience. That's all. Okay, if you know two things, the correct direction and your lot size. If you know what your lot size is and if you know about the direction, then you can just leave your trade running for 1-2 weeks and you will get your profits. It's not for amateurs. Don't try this at home without guidance. Not everybody can do this, especially holding the trade. Okay, because if you don't know, then you will exit in panic. I was holding all the way here, and then we got it. So 130 pips, I'm fine with that. My trailing stop loss is a hit. It's okay. 130 pips, not bad, in just one trade. Okay, so if you want these setups yourself, go and join the program, swing like a pro. You will find the link somewhere below. Or nothing will happen if you watch these videos. You keep watching these videos, I'm making my money, you will not. We can only make this money if you help yourself. Join the program, help yourself, then only I can help you. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, see you again.